the application of Thevenin's theorem is maximum power transfer theorem. In case of Thevenin's theorem, we are considering a network which consists of various voltage sources or current sources and voltage sources and resistances, and this complicated structure or this complicated network is replaced by a simplified network, and it is called as Thevenin's network or equivalent circuit of Thevenin's. And in that, initially we are considering a network consisting of voltage sources and resistances, and here a load is attached across the two terminals AB as shown in figure. And now by using Thevenin's theorem, this complicated structure can be replaced by a simplified structure which consists of only two components, that is, one is the voltage and another is the internal resistance, and they are in series. Now same is shown here, and this is the load which is applied to this network. And now we have to calculate the maximum power which can be drawn by this, which can be delivered to this load by this network. So maximum power transfer theorem states that the power delivered to load RL will be maximum if the value of RL is equal to the internal resistance of the network which delivers the power. What is the statement of maximum power transfer theorem? It states that the maximum power will be delivered to the load by given network if the value of load RL equals to internal resistance. This is the maximum power transfer theorem statement. Now consider these two structures. First one is network consisting of voltage source and resistances, and this is its Thevenin's equivalent circuit. Now by using this circuit, we know that the value of current IL which is flowing through this circuit, IL is nothing but V upon R. IL is nothing but V upon R, that is V is nothing but VOC, that is Thevenin's voltage, divided by series resistances. Therefore resistance RL plus R in. This is the value of IL. Now we want to calculate the power that is transferred to RL, and we know that formula for power IL is equal to I square R. I square R is the formula for power. Here R is nothing but RL. So value of power PL is equal to I L square into R. This is the value of power. Now we will substitute the value of IL here, and we will obtain the value of PL as VOC divided by RL plus R in into RL. This is the power which is delivered to this load resistance RL. If we observe this formula, what is the formula of power? Power PL is equal to VOC divided by RL plus Rin into RL. It means that power that is delivered to RL is directly proportional to RL. It depends on value of RL. As RL goes on increasing, value of power also increases. And for particular value of RL, this power becomes maximum. And that we want to find out. And for maximum power, the formula becomes rate of change of power with respect to RL is equal to 0. This is the condition for maximum power. Condition for maximum power. Now we will take derivative of this equation. Suppose this is equation 1 with respect to RL in order to find out maximum power transfer to the load. So from this equation, dPL upon dRL equals to derivative of dRL into bracket VOC upon RL plus Rin into RL. This is one of the equation. We know that. And power transfer, what is the formula here? I square RL. It means that here square should be there. Here also square should be there. Here also square should be there. That is, this formula becomes VOC, V square OC. That is VOC square divided by RL plus Rin bracket square into RL. This is the formula of PL. Substituting it here, taking derivative of this equation, we will get d of dRL of RL, or we can reshuffle this as into RL into bracket VOC square into RL plus Rin raised to minus 2. We have taken this term to numerator. And now VOC square is common. Here VOC square is common. VOC. Now we have to take derivative of PL with respect to RL, and it is given by dPL upon dRL is equal to d of dRL of VOC square into RL divided by PL plus Rin bracket square. Now taking VOC common, VOC square common, d of dRL into RL into bracket, we have taken this term to the numerator, and it comes out as minus of 2 raised to minus of 2. RL into RL plus Rin raised to minus 2. Hence VOC square into bracket d of DRL of RL gives us 1 into RL plus Rin raised to minus 2 plus derivative of this term RL, that is minus twice 2 into RL into bracket RL plus Rin raised to minus 3, and this gives us VOC square into bracket VL plus RL plus Rin raised to minus 2 by multiplying it with 1 minus of twice RL into bracket this term. So VOC square, we have to take RL plus Rin raised to minus 3 as common, and it will give us in the bracket from this here only minus 2. So we have taken minus 3. Therefore RL plus Rin left from this term minus of twice RL. Then RL plus Rin plus RL plus Rin minus twice RL gives us Rin minus RL. That term we wrote here into VOC square divided by, now this term we have taken in denominator. It comes out as RL plus Rin raised to 3. Now we know that this term should be equal to 0 in order to have maximum power delivered to load resistance. Hence, by making this term 0, this term will also become 0. So if we want this term as 0, we have to put Rn is equal to RL, because then and then only this term will become 0, and hence we know that as per the maximum power transfer theorem, maximum power can be delivered to the load resistance if the load resistance value is equal to the internal resistance of the circuit, equivalent circuit. And so we will get here the value PL is equal to, and this is the maximum power transfer theorem. Now in order to get maximum power, we have written one formula here, that is PL is equal to VOC square divided by RL plus Rin raised to 2 into RL. Now as we have seen that in order to have maximum power transfer, we should have Rin value and RL value same, that is RL should be equal to Rin. Substituting instead of Rin, RL, we will get VOC square divided by RL plus RL raised to 2 into RL, and here is square, so twice of RL raised to 2 into RL, and it gives us VOC square divided by 4 RL square into RL. RL gets cancelled, and finally we will have a maximum power value as VOC square divided by 4 RL. Thus by using this maximum power transfer theorem, one can calculate the maximum power value as VOC square, that is open circuit voltage square, Thevenin's, this is Thevenin's voltage divided by 4 into RL, where RL is nothing but the load resistance which is applied in between the terminals A and B. Thank you.